Hey preppers, it's Stan the Urban Survivors man. I'm here with Steel Belt. They're putting together a greenhouse for me. We got tired of having our greenhouses rot and blow away in the wind. So they're building these sheds and these buildings out of steel, galvanized steel, and we're doing a greenhouse. So come check it out. As you can see, they build anything from workshops, sheds, saunas, to big, huge construction. Look how beefy that looks. That ain't blowing away in any wind. Hey, we're with Aspen Wild here at Steel Belt. Tell us what this machine's going to do for us.
Yeah, of course. So this is our frame CAD F325 IT machine. It rolls a 3 5/8 profile stud. We take 7 1/4 inch flat stock steel over here. We throw it on a wheel, and it rolls straight from our machine into the bender. And you'll see here shortly, it takes the steel and these wheels here, they bend it into shape and they punch service holes for your MEPs, and it spits out a perfect product on the other side.
All right, let's watch it happen. Okay, here they are loading up the reel of flat steel, feed it into the frame CAD. How cool is this? Technology is amazing. So there's one of the steel studs. It's going into our greenhouse. This is where the greenhouse is going to go. It's like a giant erector set. On the trailer, just move each panel over and screw them together. Should be simple enough. Like that, you put the two walls together. Right now it's just zip tied together. As I get the other wall pieces in there, then we're just going to drive some screws into it. We'll have the walls. Now that was easy. My son and I just stood up the walls on the foundation. Now we've got what's looking like a building. That was pretty cool. Easy. Did that in about half an hour. Now just need to screw it all down and then set the anchors. And just like that, in less than 3 hours, you've got the framing up. And that's one sturdy greenhouse that ain't gonna blow over. Next, we've got the paneling. All right, so here's our polycarbonate sheeting, 6mm, and now we're just cutting and installing it on the greenhouse frame. There's my lovely assistant holding one of the panels to put up. We got the front, most of the roof done, and one side. Now I need to cut a hole for the window. Okay, each sheet of this polycarbonate, twin wall polycarbonate, is brought together with these little sleeves. So they go in as a junction, and then there's these end caps. These little end caps go on the ends to keep the bugs and dirt and moisture out of the ends. And you just stick them together and then put them up on that. And just like that, you've got an instant greenhouse. Only took 2 days to set up, and that's not even full days. Here's the interior. All we need now are the windows and doors. Oh wow, it's so warm in here. Oh, this is going to be great for growing things. Extending our growing season. So that was simple enough. Just me and my wife slapped that together, and it's half the price of any other greenhouse we saw, and it's so much stronger. That's going to survive all sorts of wind. So we're excited. Now I'll do a video later of when the doors and windows are in, and the planters, the garden bed planters that we'll put inside. Can't wait to start growing stuff.